never means anything for anybody else, but we don't practice Halloween. We practice fall harvest. And it just always has been that way. We live in farm fields, next door to farm fields. We had a best friend forever. Her dad was a big farmer, her husband. So we've kind of focused on that in the fall and even as a teacher. So I just love this. I love the colors. It is not, you could make something Halloweeny out of this if you wanted to, but for me, I don't have to. It says plant smiles, grow laughter, harvest love. I mean, this is all exactly what floats our boat. All right, November is gorgeous. Look at that. The fall leaves. Oh, and they're like fall foliage. They're not even, like rich foliage, not even just leaves, but foliage. So pretty. And I think of that like tropical foliage is what I'm kind of making a mental note when you're not probably reading my mind, but that's what I'm thinking. And this one says grateful, thankful, and blessed. I love that. Autumn. For some reason, I really like this. It's very unique. I would never see anybody wearing this. And we might not ever see anybody in history wearing this, but super fun. Very pretty here. Delightful, warm wishes, celebrate. Forever grateful, forever grateful, forever grateful. Love that. So super, super fun. Now, last but not least, we have Christmas. And I took that away and I'm sorry. So look at the berries and the holly and just gorgeous, gorgeous vines, whatnot through that. Super, super pretty. Background, it's just darker leaves, very rich, very pretty. And then you have kind of the homage to Santa or Saint Nicholas. You have your Christmas tree here, and you have the sentiments, all is calm, all is bright, glad tidings of joy, believe in the magic, and you are enough. Merry and bright, peace, season's greetings, and warm winter wishes. I love that. Peace, love, and joy. Love that. And you are enough. That's really neat. So, all right, I'm going to put this over here. And then let me just flip these over this time. And let's look at the cardstock stickers. Super pretty. Of course, we have the borders that we can use on 12 by 12 pages, or we can cut them down for cards, for journals, for whatever you need them. Never be afraid to cut your stickers. Never be afraid to cut your stickers. Just going to say that. I'll say it all the time so you won't feel bad and you'll cut your stickers, okay? You got to make the stickers work for you. All right, so we've got more journaling spots, which are so nice. You could even journal here. And then you've got tags, you've got titles, you've got sentiments, you've got it all. And ooh, look at there. There's a ruffle or a scalloped one and just even some shorter ones. Guys, there is so, so much to use in this kit. Love it. Okay. Let me see what else I have down below. Okay, and I may have some repeats. And I do. So I've got another one of the travel. And okay, great. Now I have some of these that I was explaining. So these are the kind of pattern paper that goes with the kit. So this one is for fashion forward, and I think it is really, really pretty. And there it is. I was gonna say, I don't know what I did with my X-Acto knife. I always have 2 or 3 on the table, but you never know. They always hide. They always hide in videos. So anyways, but whoops, excuse me. So I am just going to very carefully pull this off so I can use this. This is perfect for tags. Seriously, if you have the kind of punch that does the tags in the varying sizes from 1.5 inches to 2 to 2.5 inches, these are perfect for that. I don't know that these are 2.5 inches, but they are 1.5. So you could totally use these on the 1.5. And if you wanted to, you could put 2 together. So, I mean, you could literally trim like that, like that. Wouldn't that be pretty for a tag? And there's all kinds of things you can do with these. So you don't have to do what I tore it again. Well, that's a Sue. That's not them. That's me. Oh, and it just stuck to me. All right. Now, hold on one sec. Okay. I love this. I can see some of the prints. So here we go. I'm just going to turn it like this. More of the templates now. Ooh, this one's down tight. So I love that. That's gorgeous. More, classy, beautiful. You're a friend. You are colorful. All of that. And look at the back. so more solid. Isn't that beautiful with the pretty print on it? And then we've got the blue, same background, the back side B print as before, just in the different color. Same thing for the A print. So pretty. Okay, and then now we have a same back ground print here in a different color, which is the B side. And then the A side is so beautiful. I love it. Looks kind of like a seashell. All right, now looky there. We have the same seashell A print in the pink, and then the background pink. The background is the same as all the others, the side B. Interesting, right? I mean, they do it so well, they don't have to change it up that much. And these are complementary papers to go with the main kit. This can stand alone too. It's gorgeous paper. So never not get G45 paper if it's on sale. It's totally worth it. Same B-side background print. And then here is a new A-side. Really pretty, almost like a stripe. Really pretty, however you want to use that. Now, there's kind of that marigold or yellow. Same background print as all the others. And then there is that striped, almost kind of like striped looking. All right, last but not least, here is the green. Actually, I think there's one more. Here's the background, same background. And then look at all the people. I love that. Isn't that fun? So all those different images, all the different designs, etc. Now, we are blessed to have the same background, side B print of the black, but we also have the black and white of the other images, the other print of all the people and all the clothing designs and whatnot. How much fun is that? It's kind of bad when you're in an old baggy sweatshirt when you're showing this, but you know. It's cold. It's cold. We got really cold last night. Oh, more templates, mini file folder. Love that. 4x6 coin, or however you want to call that, bank envelope, tag, and then more tags up here and a bookmark. So super, super, super functional, super helpful. All right, let's see what else we have. We have two more, and one of them is the same thing, fashion forward. So some of these are so neutral. You can use these on any kit as long as the colors work together. Now, these that kind of have the sentiments and the people, you may be able to use with other kits, you may not. But still, there is an interloaning kind of thing that goes on within G45. It makes it really nice. Now, here is Life's Journey. More to cut open. I'm going to try to be careful. Try. So today while I was working, I was uploading and editing and doing things like that. I had on Monk. Oh, I did it again. Monk. And what's happening is it just gives at the last minute. I'm going really slow and then it gives. But they had on Monk. And I don't know if you like Monk or not. There sometimes can be, if you have children, you probably don't need to watch that. Because it's a detective show. You know how that is. And then it was the last one of those. And then when I was finishing up editing, I put on Little House on the Prairie, which it did eventually get a Little House on the Prairie in there. And it was the last one of those. And I thought, I've already cried through the end of Monk. I'm not going to do that. And then I was watching the end of Little House, and I thought, okay, I'm coming in here and finish up these videos. I'm not going to cry. So anyways, okay, so this is the Life's a Journey. So we already saw that. It is, of course, it has all the templates on the inside. And then look at this paper. I would definitely use this in my parents' album. I might or might not use that. Now, if it came to like travel pictures, because my parents traveled a lot, I might use that. It would be totally appropriate. I love this. Absolutely adore this. And I will totally use that same gorgeous background B-side. And then here is, talks about journey and all of that. And then here's this. And because we are near Austin, Texas, these are total UT colors. I mean, there are going to be people, they're going to go, oh no, that's not the exact shade. Our son-in-law and daughter go to A&M, and we were just calling it burgundy or whatever, burgundy and white. And my son-in-law was like, no, it is maroon, and it is not the exact, he was talking about the shade, and I was like, oh my goodness. Okay, that's fine. I totally get it. You're blue. You're true blue. I get it. I get it. So, anyways, so if I mispronounce what exact colors, I'm just giving you my impressions. So this is almost it's a rust on a cream. It has the vintage bikes and a little bit of an homage to the current bikes, and then you have back behind the letters and the numbers, and they're more like outlined and stenciled. If you can't see, outlined like they're going to be colored in, like if you were doing a sequential drawing type, pictures of you start here, you go here, you go here, you go here. And that's what it reminds me of, almost like a draft. And then here's the background for that. Very pretty. I am not a rust girl. When I grew up in the 70s, we had a lot of rust carpet, rust shag carpet. Yes, you heard it here. Rust chairs, rust wallpaper. We had orange wallpaper. We had yellow wallpaper. We had avocado green appliances. So just didn't do anything for me. Anyways, and now some of those colors are kind of coming back in. It's always funny. But I liked more the browns and neutrals, when I was really young. And then I went more for the colors of the ocean and things like that. But I love this. And I love this. And the reason I went browns and neutrals is because that was very popular in fashion and in home decor. So, and yes, I did work and save my money and literally decorate my room as if I were 40 years old. Yes, I know. It was very pretty. Don't even do that now, but I did it then. So I love this. I think this is so pretty. And I love how bright that is that comes off of that blue. And yet you have a background back there, not just the blue, but the letters and the numbers. So, and then there is the side B of that. Isn't that beautiful? Again, you could use this for a variety of things. Who doesn't love this? It is black print on cream or off-white. Love that. Looks like newspaper. Could use it any day. As a junk journaler, that just floats my boat. And then here is just that black with the print. And I think we're getting close to the end. One less black. You've got more of another background black. And then you've got black with the different types of transportation on it. Super, super cute, pretty. This would be a perfect card for a man. Perfect. You could use this to do something nice for a man, even in a fashion, no, this is Life's a Journey. This is a perfect line for men. I mean, if you want to do men's cards, men's, junk journals, anything like that, this is perfect. So, and actually, no template back here. Isn't that funny? But I would totally use that back. I would cut these apart, make tags, and I would use this for various projects. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this. This is a lot. Sorry, I'm shaking the camera. Sorry. I was picking stuff off the table there. I hope you guys enjoyed this. It is a big variety of all different kinds of things that are graphic 45. You guys know me. I either buy with a coupon and on sale. And on this, I did both. So just an amazing opportunity to pick up some things that are such good quality that I can turn into different projects and then, either give as a gift or put in my Etsy shop. So I'm super, super excited and I love using this kind of quality. It always floats my boat. So, all right, friends, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and please leave a comment. Tell me which of those were your favorite, or do you have another? And have you looked at the new? I know they just released today. Go look at the new stuff. And actually there were like peaks along the way. They may have done a big release, but today was the big email release. So anyways, go look at the new stuff. I'm sure G45 would love it. If you purchase anything, be sure you put in the comments, I heard about this on josephinesdesigns.com. Thank you. It would help us immensely. And most importantly, I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Thanks for being here. So glad to be with you today. I hope you're having a great day. And if you're not, here's your moment to stop, kind of turn around and go a different way. And let's see if you can't change that day around. Okay. We've gone through some rough days here recently, and you know what? It's still good. It's all good. All right, friends. Love you guys. Y'all take care. Be safe. And I will be talking to you soon. Bye-bye.